Hi, hello everybody. This is your Srinivas, mathematics faculty in Ramaya Competitive Coaching Center. My dear friends, today I am here to discuss to you an important information, an important message I brought to you, especially for the students, those who are preparing for Gurukula teachers TGT, PGT examinations and a school assistant English medium mathematics examination and model school teachers also. My dear friends, as you know already Ramaya Competitive Coaching Center, especially it has started during Corona days, online coaching through the Ramaya Competitive Coaching Center app. Of course, many of the competitive aspirants knows about the Ramaya Competitive Coaching Center app. In that app, already institution is providing many courses of video classes, full-length video classes with HD quality by expert lecturers. Now, Ramaya Coaching Center has decided to provide you full-length HD video classes designed by expert lecturers regarding a new course that is for Gurukula teachers examinations and model school teacher examinations, English medium school assistant mathematics examination. My dear friends, you know already about the Ramaya Coaching Center, which bagged many ranks through the offline coaching, like direct classes. Now it has started 2 years ago, online classes also through the app named as Ramaya Competitive Coaching Center, which is available in Google Play Store. Of course, before going to explain this, the students, the aspirants who are in touch with Ramaya Coaching Center app, they got a notification and they have purchased the course already before I am explaining you. Already they are listening classes and they started their preparation. My dear friends, it is very useful to aspirants who are preparing for Gurukula examinations. Why? Because many of the aspirants of Gurukula will work in different places, maybe working men or working women. They will not get time to attend the classes through offline during the coaching institution timings. Especially for such kind of students, it is very useful. And those who are not afford offline coaching due to different reasons, it is very useful to such aspirants. My dear friends, of course Ramaya Coaching Center is providing you all subjects Gurukula classes, but in this video now I am going to explain you about what are the topics in Gurukula teachers TGT, PGT mathematics, what is the total syllabus, what are the topics from school syllabus, what are the topics will be covered from inter syllabus, and what is the topic wise weightage. Of course, as you know already, so far Telangana government conducted only 2 Gurukula examinations. One examination conducted in 2017 and other one is in 2018. Of course, you know very well that many of you already attempted Gurukula examination. They may be missed the job due to just 1-2 marks. So many of the students missed the job just by 1 or 2 marks. Why? Because first Gurukula examination conducted by TSPSC and second Gurukula examination conducted by Gurukula board. Once let us see the paper pattern in these two Gurukula examinations. Okay. So, Telangana Gurukula teachers examination pattern in 2017 TGT, in 2017 PGT. Of course, exam pattern is 150 questions, 150 marks, time duration 150 minutes. Even same number of questions for PGT examination, same marks for PGT examination, time also same, but here no negative marks. Each question carried 1 mark here in 2017. Okay, this is an examination conducted by TSPSC. Okay, but while coming to 2018 examination pattern, TGT or PGT, same number of questions, 100 questions, 50 questions reduced from 2017. So, in 2018, only 100 questions given, 100 marks, time duration 120 minutes. Here, time duration 150 minutes. Even though questions are reduced to 100, time just reduced only half an hour. Even for PGT examination also 100 questions, 100 marks, time duration 120 minutes. Okay, here with the negative marks, So, how will be negative marks awarded for correct attempt? Plus 1 mark. For wrong attempt, minus 1/4 mark will be awarded. Okay. Suppose a student answered 60 questions correct, he has to get 60 marks, but his total marks will be maximum 60. So, total score completely depends upon the number of wrong attempts. Suppose a student answered to 60 questions correctly, he has to get 60 marks, no? But 4 questions attempted wrong, he will lose minus 1/4 times 4. So, he will lose 1 mark from his total score. So, he will get only 59 marks. Okay, 60 correct questions, 60 marks, 4 wrong attempts, 4 times minus 1/4 will be minus 1. His total marks 59 only. This is an examination completely concept oriented. Why? Because we cannot attempt an examination well by buttifying the mathematics related formulae like other examinations. So, this is the main difference between Gurukula teachers examination and other competitive examination. When you are thorough in the concept, then only you can attempt the examination well. Why? Because here, especially while writing an examination with the negative marks type, leaving the question is very important than attempting the question. To leave a question, you should have dare. Why? Because attempting question is very easy because you are writing objective type examination. For each and every question, 4 options will be provided. You may not wish to leave the question. Why? Because options will tempt you. Moreover, even by substituting the wrong formula related to your question, whichever you get answer, that answer also you can see in your 4 options. That's why in this examination, speed is important, accuracy also important. Speed and as well as accuracy are more important things. But these 2 things can happen. These 2 things together happens only when you are thorough in the subject. Leave it this pattern now. This is outdated pattern. So coming Gurukula examination also we can expect in this model only, with a negative marking system only. So here student need to select the questions from the question paper in which he is thorough. To select such questions, he need to be thorough in the syllabus. He has to prepare the syllabus with the concepts. So far, while observing 2017 TGT, from school syllabus they have covered 50% questions, from inter syllabus also 50% questions. Means out of 150 questions, 75 given from school syllabus, 75 given from inter syllabus in 2017 TGT examination. Okay. While coming to 2017 PGT, from school syllabus 55% questions covered. While coming to inter syllabus only 45% covered. In 2017 PGT, school syllabus 55%, inter syllabus 45%. Out of 150 questions, so this is the priority given. Next, coming to 2018 TGT, from school syllabus only 36% covered, from inter syllabus 64% covered. Means out of 100 questions, 36 from school syllabus, 64 from inter syllabus. 2018 PGT, school syllabus 50%, inter syllabus 50%, again given equal priority. My dear students, these are the weightages and percentages taken according to previous question papers. In those question papers also, some of the questions are multi-conceptual. Like, inside there is a quadratic concept, outlook of that question related to coordinate geometry. Don't confuse that such questions are included either in quadratic expressions or in coordinate geometry. So, weightages, number of questions may be shuffled to various topics, but that is an idea about topic-wise weightages. Coming to the point now, let us check what are the topics involved in our Gurukula teachers mathematics examination. So, total syllabus we can divide 2 parts. One part related to school syllabus and other one related to inter syllabus. Okay, here you can see what are the topics will be covered from school syllabus. Okay, in that, first one is number system. You can see number system in different classes. So overall number system. Next, arithmetic. Third one is algebra. Fourth one, linear equations. Fifth one, plane geometry. Sixth one, mensuration. My dear friends, don't be surprised by seeing just 6 units. These are just units. I think you know already, in each and every topic, there are minimum 10 subtopics. Overall, we can see up to 60 subtopics from school syllabus. And while coming to intertopics, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, permutations and combinations, probability, statistics, quadratic expressions, binomial theorem, statements, sets, relations and functions, mathematical induction, matrices, complex numbers. Of course, my dear friends, while talking about statistics, we can see statistics in school level syllabus also. Because of it is there in intermediate, we can expect questions up to intermediate levels. And also, here you can see quadratic expressions, binomial theorem, mathematical induction, matrices are under algebra. These are under algebra. Why the topics are separated from the algebra means, in our topic weightage, questions are covered from these different topics. Of course, here also questions covered from subtopics in these units also explained in details. We can see in next page. Okay. See, look at the topic wise weightages. First I am coming to number system. You can see here Telangana Gurukula teachers mathematics syllabus topic wise weightage. In that first I am coming to number system. Okay. According to the previous 2 Gurukula examinations, by observing previous 2 Gurukula examinations, weightage is allotted to the various topics. This may not be the fixed weightage. As it is, weightage may or may not come to upcoming Gurukula examination. But by seeing this, you will get some idea. You will get an importance of the topic. Okay. So just this is the topic wise weightage taken by the observation of previous 2 Gurukula examinations conducted in 2017 and 2018. Okay. You see, number system. In number system, types of numbers. From types of numbers, in 2017 TGT examinations, 6 questions given. PGT examination, 7 questions given. In TGT 6 questions, in PGT 7 questions. In 2018 TGT 2, PGT 3. So these are the questions covered from the unit number system, especially from the subtopic types of numbers. Okay. From SERDS, 2017 TGT 2 questions, 2017 PGT 2 questions, 2018 TGT PGT 2 questions covered. Okay. From the subtopic LCM and HCF, 2017 TGT 2, 2017 PGT 5, 2018 TGT 2, 2018 PGT 3. Okay. Now, from divisibility rules, 2017 TGT PGT, 4 questions covered from this topic. In 2018, one question for TGT, other question for PGT, 2 questions covered. Square and square roots, 2 questions in 2017 TGT, one for PGT 2017, one for TGT 2018, no question covered for PGT 2018. Okay. Next, cubes and cube roots, no question in 2017 TGT. There is a question in 2017 PGT and no question covered in 2018 TGT PGT. Progressions, very important concept this is. So, they can ask the questions up to inter-level. Even in 2018 PGT, up to degree level questions also covered from progressions. So, this is an importance of progressions topic. 4 questions covered in 2017, both TGT and PGT examinations. But while coming to 2018, TGT 5, PGT 4 questions. Okay. Fractions and decimals. In this also one question covered in 2017 TGT PGT examinations. No question covered in 2018 TGT, but there is one question in 2018 PGT. Next, logarithms. While talking about logarithms, in 2017 TGT 2 PGT 1 question. In 2018, no question for TGT, but there is one question for PGT. Totally, in 2017, in TGT examination, 23 questions covered from number system. In PGT 2017, 26 questions covered. Out of 150, 23 questions covered from number system only. Out of 150, 26 questions covered from number system only in 2017 PGT. And coming to 2018 examination conducted for 100 marks. Out of 100, 13 questions covered for TGT examination, 15 questions covered for PGT examination. My dear friends, this is the importance of a number system in Gurukula TGT PGT examination. See how many questions are covered here. Okay. Next, while talking about arithmetic, in arithmetic, they have covered the questions from the subtopics ratio and proportion, percentages, profit and loss, discount, VAT and their applications, simple interest, compound interest. Okay. Of course, some other topics are there in arithmetic. Here, the topics displayed accordingly, questions covered from them in these 2 Gurukula examinations. See, ratio and proportion, 2017, TGT 4 questions, PGT 6 questions. In 2018, TGT 2, PGT 2. These are the questions covered from ratio and proportion only. Next, percentages, 2017, TGT 5, PGT 2. 2018, TGT 3, PGT 1. Next, profit and loss, no question in 2017 TGT, but there is one question in 2017 PGT. Next, 2018 TGT 1 question, PGT no question. Coming to discount, VAT and their applications, 2017 TGT 1 question, PGT 4 questions. 2018, no question TGT, 2 questions for PGT. Next, simple interest, no question TGT 2017, one question for PGT 2017. Next, simple interest, no question for TGT 2018. There are two questions, PGT 2018. Okay. Compound interest, one question, 0 questions in TGT, PGT 2017 examinations, 1 questions, 0 questions in TGT, PGT 2018 examinations. In total, observe that 11 questions covered in TGT 2017 from arithmetic. 14 questions covered in PGT 2017 from arithmetic. 7 questions covered in both TGT and PGT 2018 examinations. So this is the importance of arithmetic. This is just by observation of previous two Gurukula examinations. Okay. Next, algebra. While coming to algebra, subtopics are laws and indices, algebraic expressions, special products, factorization, modulus of real numbers. Of course, polynomials also we need to learn here. Of course, you see, weightage in 2017, TGT 1 question, PGT 1 question from laws and indices, exponents and powers. Also we can say this, a 1 question covered in 2017 TGT as well as PGT. In 2018, no question for TGT, but there is 1 question for PGT. Algebraic expressions, no questions in these 3. 2017 TGT, PGT, no question. 2018 TGT, no question, but for PGT 1 question. Next, special products. TGT, PGT, 2 questions in 2017. No questions covered in TGT and PGT in 2018. Next, factorization. No question in TGT 2017. 1 question in a PGT 2017. 1 question in both TGT and PGT in 2018. Modulus of a real number. 1 question in both TGT and PGT in 2017. No question in TGT, 1 question in PGT in 2018. So in total, 2017 TGT 4 questions, 2017 PGT 5 questions, 2018 TGT total 1 question from algebra, 2018 PGT 4 questions from algebra. Once again, I am reminding you that 2017 for 150 marks, 2018 for 100 marks only. Okay. Next, linear equations. Of course, it is also a part of algebra, but separate questions were asked. That's why separated this topic. Linear equations. In this, we need to discuss linear equations and inequations. Linear equations in 2 variables. Of course, 1 variable is also there. Linear programming we have to discuss. So these are the questions covered in 2017-18. These are the questions. So in total, in TGT 2017 5 questions, in PGT 2017 4 questions, in 2018 TGT 3 questions, in 2018 PGT 2 questions. Okay. So these are the total number of questions covered in 2017-2018 TGT, PGT examinations from algebra. Next, plane geometry. My dear students, it is a very, very important topic. See the weightage of this topic. You will come to know what is an importance of this topic after seeing this topic wise weightage. So in plane geometry, we have to discuss subtopics, Euclid axioms and history of geometry. Very, very important this. Lines and angles, triangles and their properties, similar triangles, quadrilaterals, circles and cyclic quadrilaterals, secants and tangents, polygons, symmetry. From these subtopics, questions are covered. Of course, congruent triangles is also there. Okay. See, topic wise weightage in 2017, Euclid axioms, TGT 2 questions, PGT 1 question. In 2018, from Euclid axioms and history of geometry, no question in TGT, but there is one question in PGT. Okay. From lines and angles, TGT 3 questions, PGT 1 question in 2017. No question for TGT, 1 question for PGT in 2018. Triangles and their properties. TGT 4 questions, PGT 3 questions in 2017. In 2018, TGT 2 questions, PGT 5 questions. Next, similar triangles, 5 questions, 6 questions in 2017. 0 questions, 1 question in 2018. Quadrilaterals, 1 question, 4 questions in 2017. 0 questions, 3 questions in 2018. Circles and cyclic quadrilaterals, 0 questions, 3 questions in 2017. 0 questions, 1 question in 2018. Next, secants and tangents, 2 questions, 1 question in 2017. 0 question in 2018. Polygons, no question covered in 2017, 2018. From symmetry also no question covered. But totally in 2017, 17 questions covered in TGT examination. 19 questions covered in PGT examination. In 2018, 2 questions covered for TGT, but 12 questions covered for PGT. Okay? You see. Next, see the importance of plane geometry. It's very, very important. One more important unit you need to learn thoroughly. Next, coming to another important unit from school syllabus, that is mensuration. My dear friends, as you seen many questions from mensuration in various competitive examinations, just they will ask, find the lateral surface area of cone. What is total surface area of cylinder? But in Gurukula examination, you can see the questions which are multi-conceptual. Same question involves the concept of cone and cylinder together. On a cylinder, you can see a sphere. On a cone, you can see hemisphere. Like this, multi-conceptual questions you can expect from mensuration topic. It is also one of the most important topic for Gurukula aspirants. Of course, even for school assistant examination and model school aspirants also. Next, coming to mensuration, here also we need to learn triangles, quadrilaterals, circles, sector, annulus and segment, pyramid, rectangular fields, prism, cylinder, cone, sphere, combination of solids. So, this is the topic wise weightage. These are the questions covered in these two Gurukula examinations. Coming to 2017, one question and two questions covered from triangles, no question covered in 2018. Quadrilaterals, one question, two questions in 2017, one question in 2018. Circles, two questions, one question in 2017, no question covered in 2018. Sector, annulus and segment, 0 question, 1 question. In 2018, 0 question, 1 question. Pyramid, 1 question, no question, no question, no question. Rectangular fields, 2 questions, 0 questions, 0 questions, 0 questions. Prism, 3 questions, 5 questions, 4 questions, 1 question. Cylinder, 1, 3, 1, 3. Same weightage given in 2017 as well as 2018. Next, cone, 2 questions, 0 questions, 1 question, 1 question. Sphere, 1 question, 0 question, 1 question, 2 questions. Combination of solids, 1 question, 1 question, 2 questions, 1 question. So, this is a topic-wise weightage, subtopic-wise weightage from mensuration, but finally, they have covered 15 questions in TGT 2017 examination, 15 for PGT 2017 examination. 10 questions in 2018 questions, in 2018 TGT and PGT. So, here it is also an important concept you need to learn, you need to be thorough. Okay, next, coming to inter-syllabus. So far we have seen school syllabus topics and their weightages. Now coming to inter-syllabus. In this first one, trigonometry. In this trigonometry, we have to discuss trigonometric ratios, of course trigonometric functions, these are only called compound angles, multiple submultiple angles, transformations, periodicity and extreme values, trigonometric equations, inverse trigonometric functions, hyperbolic functions, heights and distances, properties of triangles. Okay? So, these are the questions covered in 2017 TGT, PGT. 5 questions, 2 questions. In 2018, 3 questions, 1 question. From compound angles, 3, 1 in 2017, 1, 0 in 2018. Multiple and submultiple angles, 1, 3 in 2017, 0, 1 in 2018. Transformations, 0 questions, 1 question in 2017, 0 questions, 1 question in 2018. Periodicity and extreme values, no question covered in any of the examination in 2017, but while coming to 2018, TGT 2 questions, PGT 1 question. Trigonometric equations, 2 questions, TGT 2017, no question for PGT. 4 questions, 2 questions in 2018, TGT, PGT respectively. Inverse trigonometric functions, 1, 2 in 2017, 0, 3 in 2018. Hyperbolic functions, no question covered so far. Heights and distances, 1 question, 2 question in 2017, no question covered in 2018. Properties of triangles, 4 questions, 1 question in 2017, 1 question, 3 questions in 2018. Overall, from trigonometry, in TGT 2017, 17 questions covered. PGT 12 questions covered in 2017. While coming to 2018, 11 questions for TGT, 12 questions for PGT. Okay. So this is the importance of trigonometry topic. It is related to inter-syllabus, especially in 1A paper. Very, very important unit. Of course, next, coordinate geometry. My dear friends, my dear students, one more important topic related to your syllabus, that is coordinate geometry. Okay. See, coordinate geometry subtopics are coordinate system, locus, transformation of axes, straight lines, pair of straight lines, 3D coordinates, DCs and DRs, planes, circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay. So these are the questions covered in 2017 and 18. 2017 TGT examination covered 6 questions from coordinate system, 10 questions for PGT examination from coordinate system. 6 questions, 10 questions, but while coming to 2018, only one question covered. Locus, one question in 2017, 1 question, 4 questions in 2018. Transformation of axes, one question in 2017, 0 question in 2018. Straight lines, 13 questions in TGT 2017, 4 questions in PGT 2017. But while coming to 2018, 11 questions out of 100 covered from straight lines topic only. 5 questions for PGT examination. Pair of straight lines, one question, no question in 2018. 3D coordinates, no question in any of the examinations so far. DCs and DRs, 2 questions covered in 2017, no question in TGT 2018, but there is 1 question in 2018. Plane, no question in 2017, no question, 1 question in 2018. And one more important concept here, circle. From circles topic, 1 question in TGT 2017, 6 questions in 2017 PGT examination. And coming to 2018, 8 questions covered for TGT, 3 questions covered for PGT. Parabola, 1 question in 2017, no question covered in 2018. Ellipse, 1 0 in 2017, 1 0 in 2018. Hyperbola, no question covered in 2017, but 1 question, 0 questions covered in 2018. So what I am going to say is, it is very important topics. It is a very important topic when compared to others. It has highest weightage among all the topics. Okay, 27 out of 150 questions covered in TGT examination 2017. 26 questions covered in PGT examination 2017. Out of 150, 26 questions covered. And in 2018, you see here, in 2017, it is for 150 marks. In that 27 questions covered. But in 2018, for 100 marks only, even though 24 questions taken from coordinate geometry. 15 questions for PGT taken from coordinate geometry. This is a very important topic. So it is in inter-syllabus especially in 2B and 1B. Especially in 1B and 2B. First year B paper, second year B paper in intermediate covers these topics. Okay, next. Permutations and combinations. Of course, in your syllabus copy, permutations and combinations, topic name did not mentioned. Topic name did not mentioned, even though you understand that this is the topic there in your syllabus on the name of counting principle. Counting principle. Okay. See, in 2017, one question covered TGT, PGT. 2018, 0 questions covered. In 2017, from permutations, from combinations 1 questions, from combinations 0 questions. Totally, in 2017 TGT 1 question, PGT 2 questions. In 2018 TGT 3 questions, PGT no question. Okay. So this is the weightage of permutations and combinations. Only 2 subtopics are there. Permutations 1 subtopic, combinations other subtopic. So this is the weightage. Next. Another topic, it is also inter-syllabus. It is also inter-syllabus, which you can see in 2A, second year A paper. Okay. Next one. Probability. It is also inter-syllabus, you can see in second year A paper. Probability, we need to learn subtopics or concepts, types of events, coins, dice, pack of cards, leap and non-leap year, addition theorem, conditional probability, miscellaneous, random variables. So these are the questions covered. No question covered in any Gurukula examination so far. From coins, there is a one question. One question in each TGT and PGT examinations 2017. No question covered in 2018 from coins. From dice, one question in 2017. In 2018, TGT 1 question, but PGT no question. Pack of cards, no question covered so far in 2 Gurukula examinations. Leap year, non-leap year, no question covered so far. Addition theorem related, 1 question in TGT 2017, 2 questions in PGT 2017. One question in both TGT and PGT 2018 examinations. Conditional probability, no question in TGT 2017, 1 question in PGT 2017. No question covered for TGT, PGT 2018. Miscellaneous models, one question in each examination of 2017 and 18. Random variables, no question covered in 2017, but in 2018 TGT 3 questions, 2018 PGT 2 questions. In total, 2017 TGT 4 questions from probability, 6 questions from probability for PGT. 2018 TGT 6 questions, 2018 PGT 4 questions. Okay. So this is the weightage. Of course, it is also an important. Next. See. Next. Another important topic is statistics. As you explained already, statistics we have to learn from school syllabus as well as from inter-syllabus. Okay. So these are the subtopics we have to learn in this. Introduction, basic concepts, mean, median and mode, measures of dispersion, NPC, skewness and graphs. In 2017, 3 questions, 1 questions covered from introduction, no questions in 2018 PGT. From basic concepts, TGT 2017 no question, PGT 2017 2 questions. 18 TGT 1 question, PGT no question. Mean, median and mode, 4 questions, 2 questions in 2017, 1 question, 3 questions in 2018. Measures of dispersion, 2017, 3 questions, 2 questions, TGT, PGT, 1 question, 3 questions in 2018. Next, NPC, 0 questions, 2 questions in 2017, no question covered in 2018. Skewness, no question covered so far. Graphs, no question in 2017, 1 question in 2018 TGT, but no question in PGT 2018. So in total, in 2017 TGT, 10 questions covered from statistics, 9 questions covered in 2017 PGT examination, and total 4 questions given in 2018 TGT, 6 in 2018 PGT. This also syllabus for school plus inter. In inter, it is paper 2A. Okay. Next, quadratic equations. My dear friends, it is a very, very important concept. Why? Because it is the key concept for all other topics in mathematics. Why? Because in any topic, this concept will be involved. Okay? Here, questions covered in 2017, 3 questions, TGT, PGT. In 2018, 1 question, 4 questions. Okay? So, total 3 questions in TGT, PGT, 1 question, 4 questions in TGT, PGT of 2018. Okay? This is also intertopic, which is in paper 2A. Next, binomial theorem. It is also intertopic, paper 2A. Of course, from school topic, algebra, polynomials also involved in this. So, binomial theorem, only 1 question covered in 2017, but in 2018, 3 questions in TGT, 1 question in PGT covered. Okay? So, this is also under intermediate algebra. Okay? Next, statements. Statements, this is also called as mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning. So, no question covered so far from definitions. From connectives, one question covered in 2017, no question covered in 2018. From properties, one question covered in 2017 only, not in 2018. Why? Because in 2018, they have conducted only for 100 marks, 100 questions. So, some of the small topics may be omitted. Okay. Next, sets, an important topic. Okay. It is also important. 3 questions covered in 2017, 1 question, 2 questions covered in 2018. Okay. So, these are previous one, sets, relations. These are additional topics has to learn in intermediate. while preparing for JEE mains examination. Of course, even sets is also there in 10th class in Andhra Pradesh syllabus. But previously, for Telangana students also, this is one of the topic. Now it is not there. Okay, you have to learn from intermediate this. Up to intermediate level, you need to prepare sets. It is also an important. Next, relations. Also, additional topic for intermediate. These are introduction topics for intermediate actually. In this, two subtopics are there, ordered pairs and types of relations. No question covered so far from ordered pairs, but no question in 2017 TGT. There is one question in 2017 PGT. No question in 2018. Okay, this is also additional topic or basic concept for intermediate. Next, functions. Actually, it is an important topic for inter. This is inter syllabus, or we can see in paper 1A. These are the subtopics we have to learn: types of functions, number of functions, domain and range, functional equations. So one question from types of functions in 2017 TGT, no question in PGT. In 2018 TGT, one question, no question in PGT. Number of functions, no question covered so far. Domain, no question covered so far. Range also no question covered so far. But functional equations, 2 questions, 0 questions in 2017 TGT, PGT respectively. And 2018 TGT 2 questions, PGT no question. Totally in TGT 2017 3 questions, PGT no question. In TGT 2018 3 questions, PGT no questions. Okay, so this is about functions. Next, mathematical induction. It is a small topic. We have only one concept in this, that is principle of finite mathematical induction. It is also inter syllabus, especially in paper 1A. No question covered in TGT, PGT 2017. No question in TGT 2018, but there is one question covered from this. Okay. Next, matrices. In intermediate algebra, we can see this. Previously, it is the topic in paper 2A, but now they have included in paper 1A only. Definitions, types of matrices, operations, properties and determinants, inverse of a matrix, linear equations are the subtopics. No question covered so far from definitions in any of the Gurukula examination. Even on types of matrices also no question covered so far. But on operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, transpose. On operations, 2 questions covered in 2017 TGT, only 1 question in 2017 PGT. In 2018, 1 question TGT, 2018, no question for PGT. Properties of determinants, no question in 2017, but 3 questions, 1 questions in 2018. Inverse of a matrix, no question covered so far. Linear equations in matrices, not in algebra. Linear equations, 1 question, 0 questions covered in 2017 TGT, PGT examinations. 2 questions, 1 questions covered in TGT, PGT 2018 examinations. Totally in 2017 TGT, 3 questions covered. PGT, 1 question. In 2018 TGT, 6 questions. PGT, only 2 questions. So this is about matrices. Next, complex numbers. So complex numbers concepts are introduction, operations, modulus of a complex number, argument of a complex number, polar form, geometry of complex numbers, properties. No question covered so far from introduction. No question covered so far from operations. One question covered from modulus in 2017. One questions covered in 2018 TGT PGT examinations. No question covered from so far from argument. No question from polar form. No question from geometry of complex numbers. No question from properties in 2017 TGT PGT examinations, but there are 2 questions in 2018 PGT examination. Totally in 2017 TGT only 1 question, PGT also only 1 question, but in 2018 TGT 2 questions, PGT 3 questions. This is also from intermediate in paper 2A. So my dear friends, what I am going to say is finally, Gurukula examination is a complete concept oriented examination. In this Ramaya Competitive Coaching Center app, you will get your course related videos with full detailed explanation. Completely concept oriented explanation is there in those videos. Moreover, with the high quality, HD quality using digital board. That's why what I'm saying is please utilize this opportunity. Those who are not yet downloaded the app, please download immediately and purchase the course and start your preparation. Get success in your life. Okay? All the very best, my dear friends. Thank you. Thank you very much.